own question.
Okay.
How did your relationship with God change through your hardship? No, that wasn't on me.
It wasn't. Let me tell y'all something.
I had to ask.
I'm gonna tell y'all. So, listen, Jesus went through some things. So when my husband said he wanted a divorce, the first thing I did was blame God. I asked as I was walking down the aisle, "Are you sure?" He said yes, so I kept walking. Because I was going to go back to the room, baby. It didn't mean nothing to me. I don't care if we spent all this money. I will go back. So when we got divorced, I said, how could you let this happen? You knew the end before it began because that's what you said in your word. You knew we were going to get divorced before we got married. So you knew we was going to get divorced before we got married. Why you ain't stop this thing? And he said he has free will. And I didn't do this to destroy it.